Good morning, everyone. How are you this morning? I hope you are fine. Okay, students, today I want to explain to you about the project. Okay, our project is create list of picket in your class. Okay, you make table in Microsoft Word and then create the list of picket in your class. Okay, I want to explain to you how to do your project. But before it, I want to remind you deadline is on Monday, 15 November 2021. Okay, I hope you can finish your project before deadline. Okay, students, this is computer project grade 5. You can do from Tuesday now until and the step project for student have computer or with computer ya kid. Jadi ini keterangan atau langkah-langkah siapa yang memiliki komputer atau laptop. If you do with computer or laptop, you can follow this. Okay, the first make the title or give it a heading. Picket schedule in my class. This is the title. And then draw a table with 6 column and 6 row. Yeah, don't forget student, this one 6 column and 6 row. First row and first column fill with number. Okay, this is number. First row and second column until fifth column with the names of day from Monday until Friday. I hope you can understand about this. And then fill with your friend names. Ya, the ranges up to you. Ya, jadi setelah itu isilah dengan nama-nama teman kalian dan susunannya terserah kalian. Format the text by applying appropriate font size and font color. Ya, buatlah teksnya itu dengan nama font yang kamu sukai dan warna yang kamu sukai. Make it as good as possible. You can apply any table style of your choice. Buatlah yang terbaik dan kamu bisa menggunakan table style yang sesuai dengan pilihan kamu. Okay, we can see the next. This is the next, and this is the example. Yeah, you can make like this one. Yeah, the picket schedule in my class. Make in Microsoft Word ya kid. Jadi ini dibuat di Microsoft Word. Okay, you can see here. This is the first row and the first column number. Yeah, and O. You make here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need 6 row because from here, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 row. And also you need 6 column because here number column 1, 2 Monday, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 columns and 6 row. This is the example kid. You make the first column number and the second Monday, Tuesday, the third, the fourth Wednesday, the fifth Thursday, and the sixth Friday. And here the names of your friend, ya, nama-nama teman kalian ini terserah kalian. Boleh kalian buat sendiri, ya. Dan susunannya the arranging up to you ya kid, terserah kalian juga. Okay. After that you have finished ya kid. Oh yeah, don't forget kid, play the table style. Yeah, table style you can choose in Microsoft Word. Table style nya kid. You can make this one have the color, yeah, and the text. You can make a font color, yeah, up to you the color kid. Jadi terserah kalian warnanya, make it as possible. After finish, save the project with your name. Yeah, the example, yeah kid, this is your name, and don't forget make like this one, yeah, garis, and then project. The example, Tony project, and then send to my WhatsApp, to serjuan WhatsApp, yeah. And you can also, or you can send to my email. This is my email. Okay, how if you don't have computer, students? You can choose this one, draw the picket schedule. Ya, kamu buat schedule juga seperti ini on a paper, ya. And draw 6 column and 6 row also. Same ya kid. And the first row and the first column you make number. Yeah. And the second column until fifth column you make names of day from Monday until Friday. And then fill with your friend's name. Ya, jadi isilah juga dengan nama teman kamu dan susunannya up to you. Make it as good as possible. Ya, kamu bisa menggunakan pencil color ya, dan colornya up to you. Example, same ya, kid. Contohnya seperti ini. Buatlah yang terbaik. You can use ruler and pencil color, so you have a good project, student. And up finish, don't forget also, send the photo to my WhatsApp personally. You can just take photo the paper, send to my WhatsApp. Okay, students, this is I want to remind you how to create table in Microsoft Word. Have 3 ya, kid. Ada 3 ya ways to create table in Microsoft Word. We have studied about this one. First, you can use insert table grid. This is one grid. Insert table grid. And the second, you can choose insert table option. In here have insert table. And the third, go to insert and choose draw table option. Have draw option. To you, student, terserah kalian mau yang mana kalian pilih untuk membuat table in Microsoft Word. This is how to choose your table style. This student, di sini banyak pilihan table style dan itu sangat menarik, interesting table ya, kid. You can design, but before you click this one, you must active. Kamu harus aktifkan dulu table kamu, like this one. Kamu klik table kamu. Design tanda ini aktif tablenya atau tanda setelah kamu klik. Like this one, ada tanda seperti ini dan ada seperti ini. Berarti ini aktif. Kalau sudah aktif, maka muncul design menu ini. If you don't click, kalau kamu tidak aktifkan, you don't make your table active, maka ini tidak ada tombol design ini. Menu design ini tidak ada. So, you must click first your table and then have design. Akan muncul design, baru kamu klik so many option here, kid. Banyak pilihan di sini. You can choose one. And the color, dan untuk warna ini, kid, I remind you again, up to you ya, terserah kalian. Okay, student, this is project criteria. Ini untuk penilaian saya buat project kamu. Kamu dan kreativitas kamu untuk membuat. Yang tadi masalah warna, kreativitas kamu warnanya, the font color, you can make it as good as possible. Kemudian kontennya, kit, isinya harus pas from Monday sampai Friday, dan hurufnya, numbernya 1 until 5 gitu. Jadi harus sempurna kontennya like I have given to you, itu yang saya dikasih contohnya. Okay, students, I want to remind you again, don't forget do your project kit. Deadline is on Monday, this one, 15 November 2021. Okay, students, that about the tutorial. Okay, I want to show you also this one is the project. Yeah, this is your example of project. Okay, students, I want to explain to you how to do your project. Yeah. Okay. Open your Microsoft Word. Okay, open it. This one, Microsoft Word, and then you can click this one, blank document. Okay. The first time you must type the title. This. Okay. The list my past example like it. Then you can click this one, insert. You can see here table, and then you can choose. Yeah, you want to do with grid this one. Yeah, you can count 6 columns and 6 row. You can click here. Yeah, you can draw your table by move your mouse. Yeah, you can see here already. I undo. If you can choose this one, if you want to choose with this one, insert table, you can type here 6, and here also 6. Okay, and can also, yeah, students, if you don't want, you want to choose this one, draw table, yeah, can also. Yeah, now draw table. Okay, yeah, you can draw table again here. Yeah, make okay, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 already. Here make 1 column, 2 3 4 5 6 already can also, yeah, student. Okay, up to you which one you want. Yeah. Okay, I undo. You want to make insert table from here. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, 6 table and 6 row and 6 column. Now if you want to make it smaller, yeah, you can click here. You move your mouse here until your mouse pointer like this one, and then you can click and drag. Yeah, drag. Just to set the size, ya, untuk mengatur ukurannya. Oke, bisa kamu geser. Oke, and then type here number. The Monday, the example, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, here Friday. Don't forget make your name, number 1 2 3 4 5. Make here the names, yeah. Here make the names of your friend. Example, Tony, and type until finish ya, until here. Ya, I make here the example. Saya buat contoh saja. Copy contoh ya, ini. Okay, the example. You can make this one the color. On color you can choose which the other color. The example this one, and also this is, you can change the color. Yeah, make it as good as possible. And here don't forget make this one bold. Yeah, bold itu supaya lebih tebal. And you can make the color. Yeah, also you can make the other color, students. And don't forget student, this is make in center. Nah, supaya dia lebih cantik. Oke, dan ini juga. Ya, center. Nah, but this is no need ya, ini nggak perlu nama-nama di center. Dia bagus ini. You can choose this one. Align left ya. Okay, don't forget make this one the heading or the title-nya. Ya, make about. You can make the size lebih besar lagi, on size-nya. Okay, and then make it center. Okay, if you want to make it this title, just kamu mau buat pakai border and shading, boleh kamu block, then choose this one, then border and shading. Yeah, in here have border, you can choose box or shadow, up to you, yeah, or 3D, up to you, ya kid. Okay, Sir Juan choose box. I make the color, yeah, and I make this one widthnya saya pertebal, yeah, and this one choose. Okay, shading, you can make the color shading. Kamu lihat di sini preview nanti kid. Shading, okay, disable this one. Style patternnya boleh seperti ini. Okay, you can click this one, text, only text atau paragraph, ya boleh, up to you. Okay, seperti ini contohnya. Students already, then click OK. Ini kit title. Okay, table style-nya kit. Table style-nya you can, yeah, you must click here. Look at, you must click here. Ya, kamu harus aktif di table. If you don't make in here, kamu nggak aktifkan di table ini cursor kamu, maka ini tidak ada design sama layout. You don't see this one. Example, I click here. Yeah, you don't see here design and layout. But if you click inside of table, you can see this one. So you can see design and layout. After that, click design. You can choose here so many options. Yeah, table-nya so many options. You click here. You can choose one of them. Yeah, the example use this. Wow, very good, students. Okay, after that, don't forget save. If have finished, save, and then save on your computer. Ya, simpan di komputer kamu, up to you in where you want. Ya, then don't forget make the file name. Ya, okay, I save. Then don't forget students. Yeah, you can see here. See the name already, Serjuan project. Yeah, that don't forget send to my WhatsApp or my email. Thank you, student, for your attention. I hope you can do your project as good as possible.